Have you ever looked at a hurricane spinning on a weather map and thought, why does it twist one way here and the opposite way there? I remember the first time I saw it, I couldn't take my eyes off that swirling cloud mass, thinking, is the planet playing tricks on us? Well, there's a secret behind that spin, and it's all about the invisible forces shaping our weather. Picture this: you're on a merry-go-round, tossing a ball straight to a friend. To your eyes, it seems like the ball curves away, veering off course. That invisible curve, that's the Coriolis effect, and it's the unseen hand behind every hurricane's spin. In the northern hemisphere, hurricanes twirl counterclockwise, head south of the equator, and suddenly they spin clockwise. It's almost like the Earth is giving each storm its own signature dance move. But why exactly does Earth do this? It all comes down to rotation. The planet spins faster at the equator than near the poles. When warm, humid air rises from the ocean. It doesn't just go straight up, it gets twisted and turned by Earth's spin. Imagine rolling out pizza dough on a spinning stone. The dough stretches, curls, and twists naturally. That's exactly how our atmosphere manipulates hurricanes, creating those iconic spirals that stretch hundreds of miles. Here's a surprising twist: the Coriolis effect only works on massive systems. Try it in your bathtub or a small pond, and the effect is practically invisible. It takes a storm spanning hundreds of miles, fueled by heat, moisture, and rotation, for this cosmic choreography to take hold. Every hurricane you see on satellite images is Earth's own dance performance, powered by physics. And here's a fun fact that might blow your mind. If a hurricane somehow crossed the equator, it would flip its rotation. Counterclockwise storms would become clockwise and vice versa. Luckily, the equator acts as a natural barrier, keeping storms in their hemispheres. This balance shows how connected everything is: oceans, wind, temperature, and rotation, all working in harmony like a carefully timed ballet of air and water. Next time you watch a storm spin on the radar, remember, it's not random chaos. It's a precise, beautiful dance dictated by our planet's rotation. Nature's elegance is hidden in these patterns, and understanding it can make you see the weather in an entirely new light. If this twisty tale of hurricanes made your jaw drop, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever experienced a hurricane or tropical storm up close? Share your story. We want to hear your experience with Earth's own spinning spectacle.